Navigating the landscape of healthcare benefit options for veterans and Medicare can be daunting. Well, Humana, the sponsors of this next segment, are here to help. Joining us now is Kevin Green, a sales director with Humana. Welcome to the show, my friend.
Hey, thanks for having me.
First off, you are a very stylish man. I think we're dressed exactly the same today.
Yeah.
We're on point. We are on point.
I'm a big fan of yours, so
I'm a big fan of yours, Kevin. Let's talk about this. Give us a quick overview of the Medicare plan options.
Yeah, so we call it the ABCs of Medicare. So there's Medicare Part A, that's your hospital insurance. Most people don't pay for that. Then you have Medicare Part B. Most people pay a monthly premium. That's your doctor co-pays, your specialists, things of that nature. Then you have where Humana comes in. That's your Medicare Part C. So that's really a step beyond original Medicare. We like to think it's more affordable and gives you additional options, including prescription drug coverage, things of that nature.
Now, we tie in with veterans. If they're eligible for VA benefits, do the benefits in Medicare, do they overlap, the two of them? How does that work?
It's a great question. We get that all the time. So veterans that have VA benefits or access to, the VA actually recommends that they do join original Medicare first and foremost to access all their options. And then Medicare Advantage or forms of Medicare coverage, they can supplement the VA coverage. So it gives them more access to care outside of the VA to see doctors, specialists, and can provide additional benefits that they may not have access to with the VA.
Well, that's going to be my next question. I think you may have answered it. But what are some of the things that Medicare will cover that their VA benefits will not cover?
Lots of things. It could start with prescription drug coverage. It may be over-the-counter items, dental coverage, vision, even transportation to and fro to your providers. And it also gives you access to that additional opinion outside of the VA. Okay, TRICARE, and I had to write it down, CHAMP-V? CHAMP-VA and TRICARE for life.
How does it all tie into everything? People watching, they understand what I'm talking about, but how does it all tie into everything?
Well, that's another, it's another form of coverage that's offered through veterans that are retired, and they also should take a look at what their options are. They should talk to someone from Humana, Medicare, a licensed Medicare representative, because they may not have access to all of their needs in addition to the original Medicare.
Okay. What are some of the benefits beyond Medicare?
There's the transportation, there's reduced co-pays and co-insurances, there's access to care first and foremost. So here, specifically in Nevada, oftentimes with the VA it gets backed up. It's hard to get into a doctor when you need to. So it's nice to have that in your back pocket to say, hey, I've got options.
Yeah, and this just gives you more options.
More options.
And someone's watching right now, they've got questions, and you've got the answers. How do they get in touch with you?
Humana.com is the best way to do it, and I'd recommend that they do it soon, because right now is your annual enrollment period. It runs only until December 7th, so we have to make our decisions
That's coming up soon.
It's coming up next week, so we got to, give us a call, go online. It's 702-837-4462 is our local office.
I love it. Kevin, thank you so much for joining us again. You're a very sharp-dressed man. I love it. Very stylish. Again, there's the number on the screen. Humana, 702-837-4462, or visit Humana.com. Las Vegas Now. We'll be right back.